And this right here is when they move the trailer away from that ventilation hole right there. And that's loud, isn't it? That's how loud it is. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, every second of our lives. We have to listen to this shit right here at Publix. And that shit wasn't happening when I bought this house, man. None of this bullshit was happening. The night shift, the horn blowing excessive, ventilation fan. What next? Constant encroachment, rendering my property worthless, where people can't even live here if I wanted to sell it. And this is when they're shut down.